have to worry. Now, what I want to do is jump into this specific bot build that I built over the last few days. Now, for the example of this bot, I actually used this website called The Quarters. Now, The Quarters essentially has lots of different accommodation in London. They own these big commercial units, and then they rent out individual rooms for short-term stays and short-term leases. So it's kind of like Airbnb on steroids, except they own the entire hotel/apartment block. So they have 4 locations in London. They have Croydon, Kilburn, Swiss Cottage, and Watford. They currently don't have any chatbot on the website that helps them to take inquiries. So what you have to do is you have to go to make an inquiry, and you have to email them or phone them up. You can click through and see examples of what the different sites look like. You can hit make inquiry, but it just takes you to this tab where you have to phone them or email them. So what I wanted to do was just put together an example bot where instead of that, we could have a bot on the website that takes the data and takes the information from that potential customer, and then it stores that data inside of a spreadsheet, and then the sales team can then follow up and confirm the booking with them. So they can go through the bot, they can confirm where they want to book, they can ask questions and find out more information about the specific location they want to book as well. And then once they've done that, all of their information, their phone number, their email, their name is going to be stored inside of Google spreadsheets using a Zapier integration. So we're going to be showing you all of that today in today's video. It will be a fairly long one, so I do highly recommend you get your notepad and pen out, and you can even go to VoiceFlow and build along with me, and you'll be left with this exact example. So we can see here we've started this conversation, and I just want to give you a quick rundown of how this works. So here are the locations we have available for booking. Now what I've asked it to say is you are a booking bot. List the locations we have and ask them what location they want to book. So we've said, hey, look, here are the locations we have available for booking: Croydon, Kilburn, Swiss Cottage, Watford. Which location would you like to book? So right here we have some choices. Now I'm going to say, I want to book in Croydon. That bot's now going to come back, and it should confirm the location based on where the user wants to book. So excellent choice. Croydon is a great location with fantastic amenities. To proceed with your booking, please provide your full name and contact number. So here you go. That's come from me basically saying, let the user know you need to collect name and numbers for the next steps. What's your full name? We're now going to capture that full name. Liam Evans. Say thank you to name. The last step is phone number. So thanks, Liam Evans. Proceed with your booking. Please provide your phone number. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's now going to capture the phone number and store that data. It confirms my location. It confirms my phone number. And now it lets me know that a member of the team will contact me to help me with my booking. Now, do I have any further questions? Yes, I do. What did you want to know? How big are the Croydon apartments? And you can see it's giving me information about the Croydon apartments. I have more questions. How much does it cost to book per night? And then it's going to give me information about the pricing of the Croydon location. So no, I'm done. Thank you. What's now going to happen is all of that data is going to be pushed into this webhook, which is sent to Zapier, put into my spreadsheet, and now it has closed the chat. So very, very simple bot, not complex at all. And what I like about VoiceFlow is the fact that it's very kind of loose. It uses AI in its responses. It uses AI to actually come up with the questions that it's going to ask someone. You know, instead of me having to type out exactly what I want the bot to say, I can just say, hey, look, say thanks to name, and then confirm their phone number with them and location of their booking. And what it would do is it will create variations. It won't say the same thing over and over again. It will actually follow what I've told it to do, but it will make it customized to that person. So really easy to use, really simple.